In this video, you're going to learn how to monetize a Telegram channel as a complete beginner. You're also going to learn how to monetize a Telegram system group as a complete beginner. So that's why if you stay with me to the end, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that in a couple of minutes. Hi ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mike Fob, and if you're just new to the channel, make sure to like this video below if you really found it so helpful. So without much further ado, let's dive straight into the video.
Telegram just announced its very first monetization feature. You can now run your ads on your Telegram channel and get 50% of the revenue from conversions. This is a great way to start earning more from your subscribers. This new monetization feature is only available for channels, but there is a way for Telegram group admins to start earning money as well. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to start earning money using Telegram's monetization system. And make sure to watch until the very end, because I'm going to teach you a hack to monetize both Telegram groups and channels. Here's how you can start earning money using Telegram's new ads revenue program. First, open Telegram and go to your channel. Tap on your channel name to go to settings and tap statistics to access the monetization option. You need to set your channel to public and have at least 1,000 subscribers. Ads will start showing on your channel. On the dashboard, you can review the total proceeds, your revenue share, and the available balance for withdrawal, exclusively using Toncoin. So make sure your crypto wallet is ready to use. Telegram uses Toncoin, the native cryptocurrency of the Ton blockchain, a third-party layer 1 network. But here's one problem. Not everyone can do it. While you can earn through ads, you need at least 1,000 subscribers to qualify, and growing your channel takes time. The current setup process is complicated, especially if you're not a native crypto user, because payouts are all exclusively through Toncoin, and you're only getting half of the revenue. But I found an easier way for you to start earning money on Telegram right now and turn it into a sustainable business, and you don't need 1,000 subscribers or learn to use crypto to get started. You can use free platforms like NAS.io to start a community, and it gives you access to all these monetization tools. Sell digital products and online courses, offer coaching sessions, or launch paid challenges. If you have a channel, all you have to do is share the link and your subscribers can easily pay through NAS.io. But if you're managing a Telegram group, you can turn this into a gated community with a membership fee. Just go to nas.io/earntelegram, sign up for a community, and set up a membership fee. Connect your Telegram group so you can have a landing page like this where your members can easily join. Not only can you earn from paid memberships, NAS.io is also packed with more monetization features for your Telegram. If you have online courses, you can either sell them, turn them into a paid challenge, or offer one-on-one coaching sessions right away. You can also sell other digital products like recipes or templates, host exclusive events, and even start a newsletter subscription. NAS.io takes care of the payment transactions for all of these monetization features, from cards to digital wallets like Google or Apple Pay, and even local gateways for more secure and convenient payments. NAS.io also has a money tab where you can track all your revenue, payouts, and even best-selling products, so you know which content resonates with your members. Telegram's channel monetization program is complex and not for everyone. There's a requirement for the number of subscribers, and you have to use crypto, but you can skip all of these. NAS.io has all the tools you need to start earning from your Telegram community. It's made simple so anyone can use the platform even without 1,000 subscribers or learning how to use cryptocurrency. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button. And if you want to learn more about earning on Telegram, check out our other videos and subscribe to our channel. Make money on Telegram today.